Okay, we'll just do this really quick.
Give me some division.
Okay, so
6 divided by 3.
do you remember the addition skills that we learned yesterday? Pretend, just pretend. Okay,
Some harder.
addition is putting two or more numbers together to make a bigger number by adding. Whenever you add, or how do you add?
Like, say I had 1 plus 2. You just add it up together to like 1, like put together 2, which makes 3.
Yep, that's true. So you could do, like if I hold up 3 fingers and I have to add 2 to them, I could do,
Just add 1, 2. Then
and
it's
then
5.
I have 5. Yep, exactly. And then if I write that, it looks like this. 3 plus 2
Equals 5.
5. That's what it looks like whenever you write it. Okay, so the
And
opposite.
my teacher told me to, after you do this, you could do like a facts family thing. It's where you draw a circle, then do
What color,
this
Finley?
and this, and you have a 2, and you have a mystery, and you have a 5. Now you have to figure out what it is. So it's blank plus, so it's 2 plus blank equals 5. So the answer would be, so if you have 2, you would do 3, 4, 5. That's 3. So you would put a 3 right here and circle it.
Yeah, that's a really good way to do it. Okay, so the opposite of addition is called subtraction. So we're going to learn subtraction today. Subtraction is the process of taking a number away from another number. So, for example, if I baked 10 cookies and I put them in a cookie jar and my brother ate 5 of them, then how many cookies would be left in the cookie jar?
10 minus 5 equals blank. And since we did that, you just count up to like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That'd be 5. So
Yep.
it'd be 5.
That's exactly right.
And my teacher taught me that if you're subtracting, always start with a big number.
Yes, always start with a big number. That's a good. So the first example is one tool that we can use are blocks. So if we're doing 6 minus 2, we would take 6 blocks, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
5, 6, and if we subtract 2, what would we do? Take them away. We'd take away 2, and we would do, count them, 1, 2,
3, 4.
and
so
we'd have 4 left. So 6
that'd be
minus
5, 6. 2 more.
Equals
so
4.
There's 6. 1, 5. 1 more. And then you just have to count how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep,
4.
so 6 minus 2 is?
4.
Yes, correct. Okay, so suppose we are asked, okay, what if we're asked the problem 3 minus 8 equals what? What would that be?
Well, it'd be like, say I had 8 blocks, which I only have 6, but say I had 8 blocks, and 3 blocks, and say I took away 8. Well,
Exactly.
I don't have 8, so
Exactly,
the
that was my
answer would
point
be
that I was going to
0.
make. If you have 3 cookies or 3 blocks and you try to take away 8, you couldn't
can't-
do that.
So the answer would be 0.
No, it wouldn't be 0. It would be impossible because you can't take away 8 from 3. So
No, I can.
those kind of questions would just be, that's wrong. That's not how you do it. You can't take away a number. So the larger number always has to be first.
No,
so you could
my
do.
teacher also taught me, like, if you have 3 and you want to take away 8, you don't have 8, so like the answer would be 0 because like you don't have enough cookies to take away 8.
Okay. So yeah. So then the larger number should always be first, like you said earlier. Another way we could do it is if we are doing 8 minus 3, we could draw 8 circles and just cross out 3 and then count the rest of them.
And then the answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer would be 5.
Yep, so 8 minus 3 equals 5.
It's a fact family.
Okay, so those are some examples. The next example would be a number line. So whenever we're doing a number line, we're going to draw a number line. And then if we were doing 8 minus 5, we would have like a number line from like 10 to 0, and we would have a tick mark from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2,
1.
And
So if I asked you 8 minus 5, you would circle 8, so that's where you would start.
And then
You'd have 8 and you would go, hold on,
5.
you would go minus 1, minus 2, minus 3,
4,
minus 4,
5.
minus
Did I
5.
give you 3?
And wherever you land, that's the answer. So that's how you'd subtract using a number line. So,
My teacher taught me also how to do the thing. I had to do this thing in school. It was like this big sheet of paper. I had to fill it all out. And if I got it all correct, I could go to the computers. And like it said, to do like a fact family and subtract and plus and do that box I showed you. And also do the number line. So I had to do it all, but I had to finish it.
you've seen all these examples.
Yeah, but I've had to do it like in like 10 minutes.
Wow.
And
Okay.
there was like 12 of them.
Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay, so my activity is we're gonna do a worksheet and it's gonna be super fun. We're gonna use the fidget spinner and you're gonna pick any of these methods that you want that we just practiced to solve as many subtraction problems as you can using the fidget spinner. And you're gonna put it on this piece of paper and spin it, and whenever it stops spinning, you have to stop writing. So you have to answer as many problems as you can while the fidget spinner is spinning. Make sense?
Okay.
So spin it, and then here, do it on the table so that doesn't stop. Well, our fidget spinner is broken. Do it that way. The fidget spinner only spins for like 1 second because it's broken.
Okay, why don't I just answer these questions?
Okay, you just answer the questions. Which method do you like to use to do subtraction? The number line? Get out of
Okay, this is really bad.
If you have trouble on one, use the number line. A method that I usually use, like if I have trouble and it's like kind of simple, you can do like 9.
I'm gonna write my name.
You can do like put 9 fingers up and subtract 2, and then count how many you have
I wrote my name in cursive.
on your fingers.
I wrote my name right there.
It's beautiful. You know what I mean?
What?
Like if you're having trouble on one and you just need to figure it out real quick, you can count down on. So if you have 5 and you just subtract 2, you can do it on your fingers real quick.
This is so easy. I've done this and I had to finish it in like a minute.
Okay, well I'll make it hard for you. You have 30 seconds to finish the rest of it.
What?
Ready?
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Ready, set, go. Time. How many did you get?
I left off.
Half of them?
I left off here and I did that and then that.
Nice. Alright, you're pretty quick at it.
I'm quicker.
Which method is your
once
favorite?
Once I had to do this test and I finished it in 1:49.
Whoa. Which method of subtraction
1
is your
minute and
favorite?
49
Which
seconds.
one's your favorite?
What?
Which method of subtraction is your favorite?
Well, I like to subtract by using the number line,
You do.
and also like doing this to help me use the number line.
Cool. So what's the definition of subtraction?
What is the definition? I haven't learned that yet.
Like what is subtraction?
Subtraction is where you're taking away how many numbers it wants you to take away.
Yep. It's taking something away from another something. So who can tell me 4 minus 6?
Can you time me?
What's 4 minus 6?
4 minus 6, well, you don't have enough to take away 6, so it'd be like.
Good job. That's the correct
impossible.
answer. You have to have the larger number first because you can't take.
Can you time me?
Hold on. Let me finish this first.
Wait.
You can't take 6 away. You can't take 6 cookies away from a jar with 4 cookies in it. So if there was 5 kids in here, and then 2 of them left because their parents came to pick them up, how many kids would be left?
3.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. That's very true. All right. So whenever you go home tonight, count your vegetables on your plate, and then as you eat them, you subtract how many you eat every time.
Well, I'm having a party tonight, so I'm probably gonna have to.
All right, well then count the cupcakes you eat. Count how many cupcakes you eat.
Time
All right,
Time me.
all right, I'll time you.
No, actually
Let's play
don't.
games with subtractions and see how
Actually,
fast
don't
you
see
can do it.
the